My name is Damien Daika. Today we're going to talk about CEO of AMD, Lisa Su.
I gotta tell you, I am truly honored and extremely excited to be able to lead AMD. If I tell you a little bit about myself, I actually grew up in New York. My parents were typical Asian parents, and they do like all parents, wanting their children to be successful. They encouraged my brother and I to really study math and science, and that's what we did as kids. I actually went to MIT for college, and very interestingly, I decided to do electrical engineering as my major. And you ask why? Actually, it was because it was, I thought, the hardest thing at the time. So that was really how I got started in engineering. And most importantly, I love being able to bring great products to the market. And that's what I think we have to do at AMD. There are a couple of very key themes, and they should sound familiar, but I want to make sure that we get them very clear. First and foremost, we are a product company. Okay, I want to build great products. I want us to build great products. And these are products that use all of our innovation, use all of our technology, use all of our leading edge IP, also combine our system and software and platform knowledge, and combine our key customer relationships. And that is really who we are. We're best when we're the innovators, and I want to make sure that that's always our highest priority, and we never forget that. So that's number one. The second point is, I'm very, very passionate about customers. And why are customers so important? When you think about what's happening in the market these days, the market is changing incredibly fast. One of the statistics I like the most is, people say by 2020, there are going to be 50 billion devices that are connected in this world. 50 billion. We want to be in as many of those devices as we can. And that means creating deep partnerships. That means taking all of AMD's technology and assets and people and helping solve those deep customer problems. So very, very focused on customers and partnerships.
Lisa Su was born on 7 November 1969. Birthplace is at Taina, Taiwan. Taiwanese American and the CEO of AMD. His net worth is about $346 million. Lisa Su was married to Daniel Lin and have 2 boys, 1 girl. Lisa began her career at Texas Instruments as a member of the technical staff in June 1994. There she worked on a semiconductor process and device center. In 1995, she got hired as a research staff member by IBM. Eventually, she became the vice president at IBM Semiconductor Research and Development Center and launched Copper Technology in 1998. From 2012, she became the part of AMD as a senior vice president and a general manager, which gained 10% of sales from the non-PC product. After the initial release of Zen chip in quarter 2 of 2017, AMD percentage incline in the CPU market share surged nearly 11%. She is the pioneer woman ever to the top the Associated Press annual survey of CEO compensation. Her 2019 salary pay package was valued at $58.5 million. 5 years ago, chipmaker AMD was bleeding money, laden with debt, and staring down a potential bankrupt.